Today's Friday. I was really thinking I'd kind of document how my week goes, but my baby, yes, that's my new boss, will not just allow me. Anyway, today I decided that by force by fire, we are going to create content today. Plus, photographers, Twale. If you're a photographer and you take baby pictures, I salute you. I've been struggling to take pictures all week. We're going to be 1 month in few days, and I've been trying to do a 1 month photo shoot. And I tried, today is Friday, I tried on Tuesday and then Wednesday. Yesterday, I just gave up. I'm going to try again today. Wish me luck. I also want to record a YouTube video. Wish me luck, sincerely. I pray I am able to succeed at the things I've just mentioned. It's almost 12 noon. Trying to see what I can do before she wakes up. I really like this earring. It's glittering. My hair, I need to visit the salon. You don't even want to see what is under this thing. You don't want to see it. The cornrows, the lines between the cornrows have disappeared. That's how much I have undergrowth, and I need to visit the salon. I'm trying to understand my baby's routine so that I can plan something or do come up with a proper plan before going to the salon, like express and all that. Let's see how it goes. I'm finally through filming the video. I'm glad I was able to film it, and she cooperated. She's still sleeping. So let me go and clean off this face and take these clothes off and feel more comfortable. You know how do I say that? How do I explain this? Sometimes we really want to do things and we allow over planning. You plan, and it's like you don't get started because you spend all the time planning. And I think that's the lesson I learned this week. Just get started. The over planning, like stop over planning, just get started. Yes, it's good to plan, but don't spend all the time planning that you don't start. What's this on my face? That must be mascara stain. And I've made all my videos with this thing. Good luck to anybody that notices it, because I cannot come and key myself. Okay, anyway, as I was saying, just get to work instead of spending all the time planning. Planning is good, but don't over plan that you don't start. What else do I want to say? I like how the video went. So instead of me being all serious and all, I like that I was able to be myself. And I think that's what I want to do more. Create videos where I just speak as, in as much as, yes, it's good to plan, have a script and all. But then I really just want to speak from the bottom of my heart and just speak about how I feel about these topics, how it is pinching me, and how I want teachers to understand what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I had a great day, and I might should I end this vlog here? Okay, I have something I want to show you, so maybe I'll just unbox that before I end the vlog. Someone is at the gate. See you later. Cheers. So it's been a really long day, but it was quite productive. I was able to create some reels, record a YouTube video, a short one. I was also able to take some pictures for my baby in 1 month. So she'll be 1 month in a few days. I said that earlier. And oh my God, she was awake. She was sleeping, and I thought I could take some pictures while trying to change her clothes. She woke up, and we kind of struggled through it. Like I said, those people that take baby pictures, baby photographers, you guys are doing a great job, because the patience needed for that work. Or do you guys have something that you use for those babies? Because they're always so calm. The finished products, I think you should show us more of the process. Let's see what happens behind the scene, because I went through a lot. Unfortunately, I think I have some videos. I'll try to add them, because unfortunately I couldn't really make a video of the process. How do I explain? I couldn't make a video of myself trying to make a video. So by God's grace, I should be able to get a camera so that I can do such videos where I'm using my phone and I can make a video of myself using my phone. Yeah. Okay. I have a few things to unbox. I have a smartwatch. And what else? Okay, I want to show you an eyeshadow that I've been loving. Okay, that's what I have on my eyes. And the reason why I like it is that it applies so effortlessly. And I like that you can just use one shade and get away with it. You don't really have to do all the what's that thing? You know how they'll say there's a color that you have to put first. I've forgotten all those terms. It's been a while I did all these makeup things, you know. What's that term now? The color that blends into the main color. This one is only for the lead. And then you have the one that you put into the crease. Here's the crease color, all of that. You don't need all that. Like one color goes a long way. So I just picked a color used, and I think I used my darker powder for this part. So I like that it applies so effortless. Every teacher that loves makeup needs it. It's an MUA. It's a MUA. It's a please. It's MUA products. MUA cosmetics. Yeah. I'll link it. I'll link the store you can get it from. They're my customers. I'll link it. It's just something that if you're in a hurry, it will make a lot of sense for you to have it. If you love makeup and you're always in a hurry, like teachers now. So if you're a teacher that loves makeup, in few minutes you are good to go and it will look like you did a lot. All of this took few minutes, but if you see me, you think I spent a lot of time. I even need to clean up my face and, wash off all of this. Okay, let's quickly do the unboxing. What else do I want to show you? Yes. So my brows. My sister used to help me shaping my brows, but since she traveled out some years now, I've not trusted anyone to do it. And there was a time I trusted someone to do it, and it's like she chopped off all the ends of my brows and it has refused to grow. Let me clean this so that you see what I'm saying. So I just picked the baby wipes. So let me clean my brows and you see what I mean. Can you see the ends of my brows? I used to have full brows. Full brows I didn't need to actually use a brow pencil for. It has even grown a little. At some point, it looked like there was no hair here. Just here. So since then, I've been trying to grow it and it seems to have grown a little. So I want to see if I can shaping it. I pray I don't ruin it. So if you just... Anyway, by God's grace, it won't get ruined because I can't even imagine being browless. God that gave us brows knew what he was doing. So I just need to kind of shape the... Do I even want to take this risk? Anyway, I'll show you what I got from Miniso that I'm planning to use. Let's say I will try. If it looks like I'm going to mess it up, I'll just let it go. But I'm here to find someone that I can trust to my brows. It's so bad. So I start begging my sister to come for holiday now so that she can help me shaping my brows again. Okay, let me show you. I think I'm talking too much. Okay, so this eyeshadow I was talking about, MUA Makeup Academy. So a little goes a long way and it applies effortlessly. Check out the colors, rich, vibrant colors. Yep. Oh. Eyebrow razor. So this is what they look like. Okay, so I'll try to see if I can shapen my brows. If I find out that I'm not getting it, I'll let it go and leave it gently. Let me really show you this. For those of you that are still using rubber bands to put your hair into a knot, get this instead. It's also from Miniso. So get this instead. The rubber band ends up cutting your hair. Your fitness tracker. Let's see what it looks like. So it's black. I think I like it. I think I'm going to end this vlog here. It's been a great day, and oh, I'm glad that I got to share my day with you, even though it was not. Of course, it's even possible to share everything about your day. Those people that actually do real vlogs where they actually carry you through the day. They are really trying. I'm still a learner, and I hope to get better with more devices anyway. But I was able to achieve this just using my phone, and I would say well done, well done. I'm telling myself well done. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next vlog. Mommy's coming. Do you want to say hello to the camera? Ta-da! Okay. Bye everyone. Cheers. Say bye-bye.